Everyone, we are back again to Balloon. Wait, I think it's Balloon's Monkey City. No, I can't. Sorry. But anyways, this is where we left off when we won a match. I'm pretty sure, but
Yes, he did. No, I think he won. Yeah,
I want to upgrade. Upgrade.
I can't.
Let me upgrade one. Boom, I'm gonna upgrade. Wait, no, I'm gonna put the tack production right here. Wait, what does that do? Does it give us money? That could be cool. So yeah, let's go attack. Boom. Let's go attack. Oh wow. Ninja that we could use. That's cool. So yeah, we're gonna go play and we're gonna try to like win. Place you down right here. Then go start. Yeah. There. Oh, every time you get money, but you need to get enough money to get never mind. I get the concept. Oh, because I got the money for their monkey. They were never past us. Why am I just standing? I must have been born for you. Okay. They're attacking me. The only reason why I'm attacking is because the last episode you said, is because you want to expand. At least I want to expand our place so we can build more stuff. I'm pretty much a noob at this game because I just started, but yeah, you guys probably know more of it. So yeah, I don't cheat, so I don't know if I'm really with like spending money and everything. Yeah, my sister will be walking along with us, playing on our computer. Well, I have my phone. She gets the computer that's in my Come on, the round takes forever. Okay, we're done. We won a statue. I think we got 3 stars, if I'm not sure. Wait, if I'm right. See? Stop it, King. Okay, victory! Woo! No lives lost. Nice. We win this, and yay. Let's do that. Oh, this is where you do it? Oh, wow. What's this? We can't even upgrade?
I'm speeding.
Wow.
Speeding.
Oh no, there's a rain cloud. Why? Is someone attacking?